in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, western Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bayville to near Jamaica to near Sandy Hook, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Long Beach and Garden City around 9:50 p.m. Levittown and Freeport around 9:55 p.m. Massapequa and Farmingdale around 10 p.m. Brentwood and Comac around 10:05 p.m. Islip and Hauppauge around 10:10 p.m. Center Reach and Ronkonkoma around 10:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., strong showers and embedded thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 21 nautical miles northwest of Pine Beach to 29 nautical miles west of Fork River to 14 nautical miles northeast of Sea Breeze, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Ship Bottom, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State South Reef, Harvey Cedars, Fork River, La Valette, Beach Haven, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Garden State North Reef, Little Egg Inlet, Seaside Park, Brigantine, Pine Beach, and Atlantic City. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This line of heavy showers and embedded thunderstorms may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover.